Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your ING card to Google Pay. First, open your Google Wallet app and make sure you're logged in with the same Google account that you use for Google Pay. Next, tap the plus icon to add a new card. From the list of options, select Payment Card. Then enter your ING card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card. You may be asked to log in to your ING mobile app to approve the addition and confirm your identity. And that's it. Your ING card is now successfully added to Google Pay. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.